Good morning, everyone. Boy, the tropics very active right now. 5 named storms in the Atlantic. The record is 6 set back in 1971, but still 5 is quite a lot. All right, here's what's happening. We'll start with Tropical Storm Sally, since this one is the closest to us in the Gulf of Mexico. You can see we're getting some high clouds from Sally, but this system continues to work its way towards the northwest at 6 miles an hour. Right now, winds of 65 miles an hour. It is expected to make landfall somewhere near New Orleans as we head into tomorrow as a Category 1 hurricane, winds of 85 miles an hour. And then once it's on land, it quickly will dissipate. And then by the time we get to Friday, just a remnant low, winds of 25 miles an hour as it moves towards Atlanta. Now, in addition to that, here's the rest of the Atlantic. We have Hurricane Paulette just north of Bermuda. We have Tropical Depression Renee. We have Tropical Storm Teddy. And we now have newly formed Tropical Storm Vicky near the Cape Verde Islands. All right, so we will begin with Hurricane Paulette. There's Bermuda. So right now the storm system is just on the north side of the island, moving towards the north at 14, max winds at 100 miles an hour. This system will quickly start to race all the way up into the North Atlantic as we head into the next several days, and then finally start to dissipate, but it still has several days to go. By the time we get to Saturday, winds of 50 miles an hour. At that point in time, just an area of lower pressure. Then we have Tropical Storm Teddy. This one really expected to intensify, could become a major hurricane, a Category 3 hurricane, winds of 115 miles an hour. But notice, it's in the middle of the Atlantic, and all the computer models take it in that general direction over time. So some good news there. It looks like that storm will stay safely in the middle of nowhere. Then we have newly formed Tropical Storm Vicky. There, the Cape Verde Islands. This is going to be a very short-lived storm system. It's going to work its way towards the west-northwest over the next couple of days. And by Friday, no longer a tropical system or a system at all, just an area of lower pressure. And then finally, the last one, Tropical Depression Renee. This one is barely a tropical depression. And over the next 1 to 2 days, it's just going to simply dissipate. You can see by Wednesday, winds of 25 miles an hour. So closer to home, what is our forecast for today? Oh, yeah, we also have a couple of tropical waves that we're watching too. We have one in the Gulf of Mexico, very low chance of development, and then another wave coming off of Africa. That one has a 40% chance of development. If it gets a name, it'll be Wilfred, and it will be the last name of this hurricane season. After that, we start using the Greek alphabet, just like we did in 2005 when we had that record-setting year. All right, so Vipercast, closer to home. All is quiet right now. As we head into the afternoon hours, still enough moisture around where we could have some showers and thunderstorms develop, mainly into interior Palm Beach County, but notice that can stretch up towards the Treasure Coast as well. By the evening hours, everything on the western side of the lake. And then as we head into tomorrow, much drier air moving on in. Rain chances very low Tuesday, really through Friday. So today, temperatures in the upper 80s, about a 50% chance of a shower or a storm. Then after that, we really start to dry things out through the end of the week.